Guys, I just got my verified ClickUp Power user badge, which means I believe nasa top 10% ang usage natin. Saka ko na lang ikukwento kung paano nga ba ako nakarating sa point na nasa top 10% tayo. But kung gusto mo maging BA, gusto mo maging organized, don't just rely on notebooks or sticky notes. ClickUp will change your life. Pero wait hindi ibig sabihin na kapag may fancy tool ka, productive ka na kagad. Tools don't make you productive. Systems and strategies do. So kahit na may ClickUp, Notion, Trello, or Asana ka pa, kung wala kang maayos na workflow, babalik ka pa rin sa sabog na schedule, missed deadlines, at stress. Pero paano nga bang aralin ng ClickUp step by step? Ganito lang yan. I guess we can divide it into 7 days. Sa day 1, mag-sign up ka, mag-create ka ng workspace, gumawa ka ng space, gumawa ka ng folders. And then sa day 2, you have to learn how to use yung hierarchy niya. So meron tayong space, meron tayong folder, list, and then yung task. Gets mo na kagad? Now, sa third day, pwede siguro mag-add ka ng tasks like due dates, checklists, attachments. And then on day 4, pwede gumawa ka na ng templates for your client onboarding or content calendar kung gusto mo maging SMM. Now, I would suggest sa day 5, you set up 1 to 2 automations. Like kapag in progress, auto-assign ka agad sa'yo. And you can create automations to automate repetitive tasks like changing status, assigning tasks, sending comments, sending emails even. Now, ang kagandahan nito, even if you have the free plan ng ClickUp, you can have up to 5 active automations at a time. And then there's a limit of 100 actions per month. Kasi yung actions, whenever an automation is triggered, magkakaroon siya ng action. If you hit that limit, yung automation niya, magpo-pause siya until the following month. So that's how it works. Now, after that, on day 6, I would suggest you start tracking time para alam mo kung ganong katagal ka per tasks. And then on the 7th day, eto na, pwede ka na mag-build ng simple dashboard para makita mo lahat ng deadlines mo sa current work mo or mag-create ka ng scenario na what if meron na akong client? Ano yung magiging itsura ng araw ko? Ganon. Ako, I use ClickUp to manage clients, content calendar, and even personal tasks. Pero it works, I believe, kasi nakasystem na siya. Alam ko exactly kung saan pupunta yung tasks, paano siya matatrack, paano siya matatapos. I know na exactly what my point A and point B is, kumbaga. Now, let me know na lang guys sa comment section kung gusto niyo pa ng free tutorial or mas in-depth na tutorial about ClickUp. Pero, if ready ka na talaga to kickstart your VA journey, ladies and gentlemen, opo, dahil sa napakaraming nagde-demand, kasi nga naman, i-drop natin yung ating VIP 910 ay tagilid na araw. And so, i-extend natin yung promo natin until September 15th. Yes, naka 50+% off po siya. Yung dating 1,999, 915, 915 na lang po hanggang September 15. If you guys wanna join, click nyo lang yung link sa bio ko, i-click nyo yung form for Top VIP All Access Pass. This is a 1-year All Access Pass para sa lahat ng classes natin. Keep in mind that you'll be able to attend all of our live classes, kasama po ang internship doon. And obviously, ang isa sa mga kauna-unahang bagay na ituturo namin sa inyo is kung paano mag-organize ng tasks, projects, at clients para hindi ka kagad malunod. Kasi promise, freelancing isn't just about working harder, it's about working smarter. Remember, tools don't make you productive, systems do. That's it for this vlog, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!